Spark Island is integrated to CAXA design software. Enter the Spark Island workplace, and the first function is text-to-image generation. You can input the desired description in the design prompt, including specifications like the floor plan layouts and style preferences. Then you can upload a reference image. It will automatically combine the reference image with text description to generate the rendering design you want. You can also choose the quantity of generated designs. Then click Generate Now, and here's the generated rendering image you can download. The second function of Spark Island is Style Blending. Here you can upload two images. You can upload a rendering image and an unfurnished house image, or you can upload two rendering images to blend their colors and styles. After uploading, we can adjust blending preference, telling the AI which image shall be referred the more. For example, in this interface, we want the left image to be the main image for reference. I can slide this control to the right, then select the image size and choose the quantity. Here's the generated result. The final design combines the wardrobe on left with the bathroom vanity material on right in beautiful wood grain pattern. The third function is AI Whole House Design. According to the floor plan you upload, you can flexibly choose building types and select all spaces you need. Also, you can adjust the image scale. Finish you choosing and just click Generate Now. Here you will get the design created based on your floor plan. A complete set of house renderings.